So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to track tags and analytics on your hosting or website, here's how to connect Google Tag Manager in just a few steps. So firstly, log into your Google Tag Manager account and open your container. Find your container ID. It starts with GTM followed by the letters or numbers. Now open your hosting or website builder and go to Integrations. Find the Google Tag Manager field and press, then paste your GTM container ID. Save your changes and update your website. And that's it, as simple as that. Google Tag Manager is now connected to your hosting or website and ready for your tags and tracking. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.